So dear student, in the previous video, we have seen the Mayer's relation, that is the relation between specific heat of the gas at constant pressure and the specific heat of the gas at constant volume, that is Cp minus Cv is equal to R, where that Cp is the specific heat at constant pressure, that is the molar specific heat, and Cv is the molar specific heat at constant volume, and R is the gas constant, that is the Mayer's relation. Again, there is one constant, that is the specific heat ratio constant, that is called as gamma, that is equal to ratio of specific heat of gas at constant pressure to the specific heat of the gas at constant volume. Now, in this topic today, we will learn about how to determine the specific heat of the monoatomic gas, diatomic gas, and the polyatomic gas by using the concept that we have studied earlier, that is the degree of freedom. You know already, degree of freedom means the number of coordinates which represents the motion of the molecules of the gas, that is called as degree of freedom. And according to law of equipartition of energy, for each degree of freedom, the internal energy of the gas which will be contributed, that is equal to how much? 1 by 2 kBT. 1 by 2 kBT. So by using that concept, we can determine here the specific heat of monoatomic gas, diatomic gas, and the polyatomic gas. First, we will take here the monoatomic gas. For example, if 1 mole of monoatomic gas is considered, so we know already, in case of 1 mole, the number of molecules which is present, that is equal to Avogadro's number. Now, monoatomic gas basically consists of, that molecule consists of only one atom, and that monoatomic gas molecule have only 3 degrees of translational motion. Means degree of freedom for the monoatomic gas molecules are only 3. That is along the x-axis, along the y-axis, and suppose along the z-axis. Means that monoatomic gas molecule will be get constant motion only in the 3 directions. We consider there only the 3 directions. Therefore, we say that the degree of freedom for that monoatomic gas molecule is how much? 3. Degree of freedom becomes how much? 3. Now, according to law of equipartition of energy, for 1 degree of freedom, the energy which will be contributed, that is equal to 1 by 2 kBT. So at constant temperature, the internal energy of monoatomic gas molecule becomes equal to how many degrees of freedom that monoatomic gas molecules have? 3 degrees of freedom. So therefore, for 1 degree of freedom it is 1 by 2 kBT. So for 3 degrees of freedom it is 3 into 1 by 2 kBT. But at constant temperature, we have considered here the 1 mole of monoatomic gas. In 1 mole, the number of molecules which are present, that is equal to Avogadro's number. So therefore, the internal energy of that gas becomes 3 by 2 Na into kBT. ये इक्वेशन कैसा लिया अपन ने? क्योंकि सिंगल मॉलिक्यूल अगर कंसीडर करते हैं तो उसके लिए कितनी डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम है? 3 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम. 1 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम के अक्रॉस एनर्जी कितनी? 1 by 2 kBT. इससे 3 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम के लिए एक मॉलिक्यूल के लिए एनर्जी कितनी हुई? दैट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 3 by 2 kBT. Okay, but we have considered 1 mole of gas. In 1 mole of gas, how many number of molecules are present? Are equal to Avogadro number. So therefore, the internal energy of that gas becomes equal to 3 by 2 multiplied by Avogadro number, means the number of molecules which are present in the 1 mole of gas multiplied by that kBT. But we already know that Boltzmann constant Kb equal to ratio of gas constant divided by Avogadro number. So from that, R equal to what? Kb into Na. You see here this Na into Kb that you can watch here. We can write this as a gas constant, that is what? R. So therefore, internal energy of the gas is equal to what? 3 by 2. That 3 by 2 Na into Kb, that is equal to what? Gas constant R multiplied by that temperature T. But specific heat at constant volume is equal to change in internal energy per unit temperature. So therefore Cv equal to dE by dt. So this becomes what? Cv equal to 3 by 2 R, and derivative of that T becomes what with respect to that dt, that is 1. So specific heat at constant pressure for that monoatomic gas becomes Cv equal to how much? 3 by 2 R. By the Mayer's relation, Cp minus Cv is equal to R. But Cv equal to how much? 3 by 2 R. So therefore, Cp minus 3 by 2 R is equal to capital R. So you just see here. इसके लिए क्या पुट अप किया अपन ने 3 by 2 R. This gives Cp equal to R plus 3 by 2 R. That is equal to R कॉमन निकाला तो मैं यहाँ से 1 plus 3 by 2 R means that specific heat at constant pressure Cp equal to 1 plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2 R. This is the specific heat of that monoatomic gas at constant pressure. Therefore, specific heat ratio gamma equal to what? Cp by Cv. Therefore, gamma equal to the value of Cp becomes how much? 5 by 2 R, and value of that Cv becomes 3 by 2 R. This R and 2 get cancelled. This gamma equal to how much? 5 by 3. This approximately this value becomes near about 1.67. Means for the monoatomic gas molecules, or for the one mole of monoatomic gas molecule, the specific heat at constant pressure becomes equal to 3 by 2 R. Sorry, specific heat at constant volume equal to 3 by 2 R. Specific heat at constant pressure equal to 5 by 2 R, and specific heat ratio becomes what? 5 by 3. Here, as the monoatomic gas is considered, it consists of single atom, it has only 3 degrees of freedom. So therefore, its internal energy that we are taking, that is equal to what? 3 by 2 kg. But if diatomic gas molecule will be considered here, for the diatomic gas like hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and carbon monoxide, these are the diatomic gas molecules N2, H2, N2, O2 and carbon monoxide. Okay. Again, one mole of that diatomic gas will be considered. In that diatomic gas molecules, again one more consider किया, इसका मतलब number of moles is the number of molecules is equal to Avogadro's number. But you know already, for the rigid rotator or for the rigid diatomic molecule, it has 3 degrees of freedom due to translational motion. 3 degrees of freedom due to which motion? Translational motion. And 2 degrees of freedom due to rotational motion. तो इसके पहले के टॉपिक में अपन ने एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है कि 3 डिग्री ऑफ मोशन किसके 3 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम किसके लिए ट्रांसलेशनल मोशन के लिए और 2 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम के लिए रोटेशनल मोशन के लिए। तो टोटल इंटरनल एनर्जी ऑफ दैट डायटोमिक गैस मॉलिक्यूल becomes equal to 3 into 1/2 kBT for which motion translational motion plus 2 into 1/2 kBT for which motion rotational motion. I have already explained you according to law of equipartition of energy each degree of freedom के लिए 1 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम के लिए एनर्जी कितना लेना है अपने को 1/2 kBT। इसको सॉल्व करते हैं अपन तो टोटल मिलेगा अपने को चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी ऑफ दैट मॉलिक्यूल दैट इज इक्वल टू 5/2 kBT। ओके 3/2 plus 1 kBT कॉमन निकाल लेंगे 3/2 plus 1 is 5/2 kBT। This is the internal energy of single molecule. But you have considered how much gas? 1 mole of gas. 1 mole of gas means कितना number of molecules are total equal to Avogadro number. So therefore, change in internal energy of that complete gas, 1 mole of gas becomes that is equal to B equal to what 5/2 kBT multiplied by again Avogadro number. Again we know already kB into m is क्या होता है that is the gas constant R. So therefore this is B equal to 5/2 RT. Okay, so therefore specific heat at constant volume CV equal to again d by dt is gives equal to how much 5/2 R. Okay, then again this is the specific heat of that diatomic gas molecule or diatomic gas at constant volume. Then by the mass relation again Cp minus Cv equal to R. This gives Cp equal to R plus Cv, that is equal to R plus 5/2 R. This is nothing but how much 7/2 R. This is the specific heat at constant pressure. So therefore specific heat ratio gamma equal to Cp by Cv, that is 7/2 R upon Cv कितना आता है 5/2 R, that is equal to how much 7/5. This is the specific heat ratio for what diatomic gas molecule which is rigid rotator. This molecule कैसा considered gas का अपन rigid. But there are some non-rigid molecules like the carbon monoxide gas molecule. Even at moderate temperature, that carbon monoxide molecule will be perform vibrational motion also. Means if the non-rigid diatomic gas molecule will be considered, so that non-rigid diatomic gas molecule, this is the specific heat ratio for rigid diatomic gas molecule or rigid diatomic gas. But if the gas is non-rigid molecules or made up of non-rigid molecules, in such condition it has 3 degree of freedom due to translational motion, 2 degree of freedom due to rotational motion, and again there will be obtain another 1 degree of freedom due to vibrational motion. Vibrational motion means total degree of freedom becomes what 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to how much 6 degree of freedom will be obtained there. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Again according to law of equipartition of energy for each degree of freedom energy contributed, that is equal to how much 1/2 kBT. But in the translational or the rotational motion, that molecule possesses only kinetic energy. But in the vibrational motion, it possesses kinetic energy as well as potential energy. Therefore, for the vibrational motion, the energy which will get contributed, that is equal to 2 times 1/2 kBT. By 2 times, 1 for kinetic energy and second for what? Potential energy. इसमें कितना हो गया? 2 times हो जाएगी. This 2 to get cancel is for the vibrational motion. we can consider the internal energy that is equal to how much? kB. So here, for the diatomic non-rigid gas molecule, the change in internal energy at constant temperature becomes total degree of freedom कितने हो गए? 5, 3 plus 2 that is 5, 5 plus 1 that is equal to 6. So this is equal to 3 by 2 kBt for translational motion. Two into 1 by 2 kBt for rotational motion plus 1 vibrational motion का consider that is equal to 1 into 1 by 1 into kBt. या इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं अपन 2 into 1 by 2 kBt. This 2 get cancelled, this 2 also get cancelled. Total कितना हो रहा है? 3 by 2 kBt plus 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2 kBt. That is equal to 3 by 2 plus 2. Boltzmann constant Kb multiplied by temperature T. 3 by 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? 7 by 2 Kb. This is for the single molecule of that gas. For the complete gas, for 1 mole of gas, multiply the same equation by the Avogadro number into Avogadro number. This Kb into n again, that is equal to what? R. So therefore this change in internal energy of the gas becomes 7 by 2 RT. So therefore specific heat at constant volume Cv equal to again change in internal energy with respect to temperature, that is equal to how much? 7 by 2 R. This is the specific heat at constant volume. Again constant pressure को निकालने के लिए same relation Cp minus Cv equal to R. That is Cp equal to R plus Cv. Cv कितना आता है अपना? 7 by 2 R. This is equal to R plus 7 by 2 R. That is equal to 9 by 2 R. Therefore, specific heat ratio gamma equal to Cp by Cv. That is equal to 9 by 2 R divided by 7 by 2 R. R and 2 get cancelled. This gamma equal to how much? 9 by 7. This is for non-rigid gas molecule. Which one? Diatomic gas molecule. Now, next we will take here the polyatomic gas molecule. Polyatomic gas molecule. Polyatomic gas molecule means in that molecule there are more than 2 atoms. Again, 1 mole of polyatomic gas will be considered here. So, in case of that polyatomic gas molecule, number of atoms are more than 2 or 3. If the molecule is linear, in this case, in case of that linear polyatomic gas molecule, it possesses 3 degrees of freedom due to translational motion, 3 degrees of freedom due to rotational motion, and 1 degree of freedom due to vibrational motion. But that degree of freedom of that vibrational motion depends upon the geometry of that molecule. So here then, if the 1 mole of that polyatomic gas will be considered, so it has 3 degrees of freedom due to translational motion. 3 degrees of freedom due to rotational motion, and we will consider here f degree of freedom due to vibrational motion. अब जल्दी बता तुमको मैंने 1 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम के पीछे कितनी एनर्जी 1 by 2 kBt. तो टोटल इंटरनल एनर्जी अगर उस मॉलिक्यूल की लेते हैं अपन पॉलीएटॉमिक गैस मॉलिक्यूल की, तो क्या बन जाएगी अभी? That is equal to 3 by 2 kBt due to translational motion, 3 by 2 kBt due to rotational motion, and f kBt due to vibrational motion. Means on solving this becomes 3 plus f into kBt. Then for 1 mole of gas, it is d equal to 3 plus f KBT into Na. Again KB into Na is क्या होगा, गैस कांस्टेंट R. So this is D equal to 3 plus FR. Then specific heat at constant volume, that is Cv equal to dE by dt, that is equal to 3 plus FR, and again use the relation Cp minus Cv equal to R. So you will get here specific heat at constant pressure Cp equal to R plus Cv, but Cv equal to 3 plus FR था, ये वैल्यू यहाँ पुट अप करेंगे अपन R plus 3 plus FR. Now solving this you will get here 4 plus FR. So therefore specific heat ratio gamma equal to Cp by Cv, that is equal to 4 plus F upon 3 plus F. Okay, तो ये जो डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम रहेंगे वो पॉलीएटॉमिक गैस मॉलिक्यूल के लिए किसके ऊपर, वाइब्रेशनल मोड के लिए क्या बोला था मैंने, इट विल बी डिपेंड्स ऑन द ज्योमेट्री ऑफ दैट मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, सो इन दिस वे these are the specific heat ratio of the specific heat which will be get calculated by using Bayes relation for that monoatomic, diatomic and the polyatomic gas molecule. Okay, thank you.